So we are back with another hair cutting video. So here's where I'm at. Lately, I feel like my hair has kind of been looking all one length. It's been looking a little bit flat. There's not really much shape, much body to it. And although I do like it being more or less all one length because I like the ends to look thicker, I'm getting a bit fed up of it, let's be honest. What inspired this decision is when I was looking back at old photos when I kind of first started my wavy hair journey and how my hair used to look. And I used to follow a different hair cutting tutorial that I haven't filmed a video on yet, which is why I thought, well, let's go back to my roots and let's film it for you guys. So I will link the original video in the description box where I got this tutorial from. Let's hope that it turns out good on my hair. I am a little bit scared that it's going to be too much layers, that my hair is going to look too thin, because I don't want it to look like I have less hair. I want it to look like I have more hair. But anyway, I hope it works in my favor. So to get started, what you're going to need: hair cutting scissors, a comb, preferably with one of these on the end. I don't know what that's called. You are going to need 2 hair scrunchies, a couple of elastic bands, and a hairbrush. So first of all, what I'm doing is I am parting my hair down the middle, and then I am making a V from the crown of my head to around about my eyebrow, so it looks like a triangle. I did have to go off camera to the mirror to do a bit of finessing to make sure that it looked good, but this is how the finished look is. I don't think it has to be too perfect as long as there is a V. And then you want to brush that all out and make sure everything is nice and flat, and secure that at the front of your forehead with a scrunchie. Now, the tutorial that I watched, she said to use your nose or your mouth or your chin as a guide, but because my hair is very long right now, I did not want to go that short, so I kind of went to maybe about an inch below the collarbone, I think. So I put an elastic band just as a guide and pulled that down and then cut there. I then took the elastic band out, and then with my brush and my fingers and the scissors, I tidied up the ends a little bit. Now for the back section, I'm brushing all that forward like you would with the unicorn cut, and I believe this is similar to how they do the wolf cut that went viral on TikTok. So again, smooth all of that down, and I'm tying that in the same place as my other scrunchie. At this point, I was looking for my other lilac scrunchie and I couldn't find it, and then while I was tying this scrunchie in, I realized that when I put the lilac one in, I think I accidentally put them both in at the same time. Anyway, this section that I'm cutting now is just layers. Despite knowing that, I was very scared to go in too scissor happy. I did cut off a generous amount. I maybe could have cut off more, I'm not too sure, but yeah, again, I just tied the elastic more or less where I wanted to cut, and then I cut there, and then I took it out and then tidied it up without the elastic in. I then took it all down and brushed it out, and it's always a relief to see that the length is still there. It's still very long. At this point, I did go to check it in the mirror and to check the back. This haircut does give you a V at the back, which I don't mind, but I didn't want a very drastic V, so I did what I learned from Mains by Mel, and that is I parted my hair down the middle with my body facing forward. I turned my head to one side, brush and glide my fingers down my hair to the very end, and then I snipped off the end. And that's it. It took about 20 minutes to do my hair. The day that I'm filming this, I'm not going to be doing a wavy hair wash day. I'm actually going to be braiding my hair today, so I will check back in over the weekend or something whenever I next wear my hair wavy to show you how it is looking with this haircut. So speaking of braiding my hair, if you would like to see how I do that and the kind of crimped look that you can achieve the following day, then make sure to check out this video. I will leave some more hair cutting videos in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye!